Let's start by understanding the context behind the case of Linconn v. Senate of the Philippines. This case arose during the Senate's investigation into the COVID-19 fund controversy, particularly involving Pharmally Pharmaceutical Corp. Linconn, who was linked to Pharmally, found himself at the center of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee's inquiry. The Senate, in its pursuit of legislative oversight, exercised its power to cite in contempt and ordered his detention. However, challenged this action, arguing that his rights were not fully respected during the proceedings. This set the stage for a significant legal battle that would clarify the limits and requirements of the Senate's contempt powers. Supreme Court's decision in March 2023 addressed the core issue. Does the Senate have the authority to detain witnesses for contempt during legislative inquiries? The court affirmed that the Senate indeed possesses this power as part of its constitutional mandate to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation. However, the justices emphasized that this authority is not absolute. The Senate must ensure that any exercise of contempt powers is accompanied by due process. This means that individuals like must be given fair notice of the charges against them and a genuine opportunity to be heard before any punitive action is taken. The ruling thus balanced the Senate's need for effective oversight with the protection of individual rights. This landmark ruling has important implications for both legislative investigations and the rights of individuals involved. By upholding the Senate's contempt power, but requiring due process, the Supreme Court reinforced the principle that government authority must always be exercised within the bounds of fairness and justice. Future inquiries, this means that witnesses cannot be arbitrarily detained. They are entitled to clear information about the accusations and a real chance to defend themselves. The decision serves as a reminder that even in the pursuit of accountability and transparency, the rule of law and respect for individual rights remain paramount. This balance is crucial for maintaining public trust in both legislative processes and the justice system.